muri abo bavandimwe badusangire ni Costa hano gukora iyo cake biroroshye cyane. Hano kuri dusangire dufite umutumiro ukomeye cyane uza kutwereka uburyo bakora iyo cake. Arabivuga mu cyongereza ariko turabikurikira biroroshye cyane. Reka nongere kubararikira ku kiriya kiganiro cy'ubuhamya bwanjye uburyo nafunzwe muri Zaire, Congo, Burundi no mu Rwanda. Icyo mbasaba ni gukora subscribe mugasangiza n'abandi atazagira video bibacika. Reka umutumire wacu atubwire. Umushitsi rero dufite hanga kuri dusangire yitwa Queen, ni umukobwa wanjye. Niwe uza kutwereka uburyo bakora iyo cake yise yogurt cake. Ngira ngo ni kubera ko bakoresha yogurt kugira ngo bakore iyo cake. Reka dukurikire.
So in this recipe we are going to get blueberries from our own garden, so they are fresh, and we are going to wash them. Here we have 3 eggs, and we have about a cup of yogurt, a little bit more, about a cup of oil, a little bit more, and same with the flour, and same with the sugar, and a little bit of vanilla extract, maybe like a teaspoon. And we put the yogurt.
Putting the yogurt next, right?
Yes, just want to scoop all the sides.
Why do people put lemon in there?
Just to make it smell good, and yeah, if you put enough, you'll probably taste it.
And what next?
Then add vanilla extract and then the oil. And then you just want to whisk all your ingredients together. Get your teaspoon of baking powder and put in the bowl. And then just put like a pinch of salt. I switched to another bowl so it would be safer while pouring. Now you can add the blueberries and stir it gently because you don't want to crush them too much. And then I pour it into the pan. And make sure you get all the sides, and you can just use a spatula. And then put into the oven 350 for 20 to 25 minutes. The finished product. It looks beautiful. Make sure it's like a golden brown, and just flip it over. You can use a cooling rack. It all comes to when you can't crush the blueberries, and you can see them and they look gorgeous. And just put it onto a cutting board and slice. And enjoy the cake that you made. It is very fluffy, and that's what we're looking for. My dad is ready to try it, and you can add anything you want. As you can see, it's very delicious. It only takes like 40 minutes, and trust me, you're gonna want to do this. So please subscribe to my dad's YouTube channel and hit that bell and like this video.